Think Sweden's only for rich travelers? Think again. In this video, I'm sharing the best budget tips to help you explore Sweden without going broke. From cheap eats to free nature, here's how to make your trip affordable and unforgettable. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Been to Sweden? Drop your best budget advice below. Now let's get started. 1. Shop at grocery stores. Eating out in Sweden can be pricey. A simple meal at a restaurant might cost $15 to $25. Instead, buy food from grocery stores like ICA, Coop, Lidl. They have ready-to-eat meals, sandwiches, snacks, and even microwaves in some branches. You can also grab bread, cheese, and fruit to make your own meals for cheap. 2. Get an SL card or local transport pass. Public transport in cities like Stockholm is excellent, but single rides can add up fast. If you'll be staying for a few days, buy an SL card, Stockholm's travel card, for unlimited travel on metro, buses, trams, and even ferries. It's way cheaper than paying for each ride individually. 3. Explore nature. It's free. Sweden is known for its beautiful lakes, forests, and coastline. Thanks to the country's strong focus on nature, you can enjoy world-class hiking, swimming, and camping for free. Parks like Abisko National Park or Tyresta Forest near Stockholm offer amazing outdoor experiences without any entrance fees. 4. Stay in hostels or STF cabins. Hotels in Sweden are expensive, but hostels and STF, Swedish Tourist Association cabins, are way more affordable. Many hostels have kitchens, so you can cook your own meals and save even more. If you're traveling with friends, renting a small cabin in the countryside can be both cheap and scenic. 5. Drink tap water. No need to buy bottled water. Sweden's tap water is some of the cleanest in the world. Just bring a reusable bottle and fill up anywhere. 6. Book in advance. Trains, buses, and accommodation are often much cheaper if you book early. Websites like sj.se for trains and Flixbus for long-distance buses have early bird prices. Avoid last-minute bookings, especially in summer. 7. Take advantage of lunch deals. Swedish restaurants often have something called a dagens lunch or daily lunch. It's a full meal, usually with salad, bread, and coffee, in the $10 to $15 range, which is much cheaper than dinner. These deals are often available from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. 8. Use second-hand stores. Need a warm coat or boots? Sweden has great second-hand shops like Myrorna, Emmaus, Humana. 9. Travel off-season. Sweden is busiest in summer and around Christmas. Flights, hotels, and even some local attractions are more expensive during these periods. Try visiting in May, early June, or September for better prices and fewer tourists. 10. Join free walking tours. In cities like Stockholm and Gothenburg, you can find free walking tours led by locals. These are tip-based, so technically free, and they're a great way to learn about the city without paying for a guide or tour bus. 11. Sweden is cashless. Use card or Swish. Almost everywhere in Sweden takes card. Restaurants, taxis, buses, even toilets sometimes. If you get a local SIM, consider downloading Swish, a popular mobile payment app, but otherwise your credit or debit card will work just fine. 12. Camp for free thanks to Allemansrätten. Sweden has a unique law called Allemansrätten, or Every Man's Right, which allows you to camp on public land for free. You can pitch a tent almost anywhere in nature, as long as you don't disturb wildlife or private homes. This is perfect for hikers and backpackers looking to save on accommodation. 13. Rent bikes or use city bike programs. Many Swedish cities have affordable bike rental systems. For example, Stockholm has city bikes you can rent by the day or week. It's a cheap, healthy, and scenic way to get around. 14. Ask for youth and student discounts. If you have a student card, you might be eligible for discounts on train tickets, buses, attractions, and even hostels. Always ask, even if it's not advertised. 15. Skip the alcohol. drinking in bars or restaurants is expensive in Sweden. A single beer can cost $8 or more. If you really want to drink, buy alcohol from Systembolaget, the government-run liquor store. But honestly, the best way to save is to just skip it. Bring a reusable bag. Stores in Sweden charge extra for plastic bags, so bring your own tote or backpack when you go shopping. It's eco-friendly and saves a few extra kronor. So yes, Sweden can be expensive, but if you plan smart and follow these tips, you can travel comfortably without blowing your budget. Nature is free, water is clean, and with a bit of planning, Sweden is actually a fantastic destination for budget travelers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Been to Sweden? Drop your best budget advice below in the comments. Check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!